In this video, I'll just demonstrate how you can update your user profile. So generally, you would go up to the top right here where you see your name. Now this name is just the name of a generic student that I'm using. Once you click on that, you get this drop-down menu where you can go to Edit Profile. Now here you'll see a number of fields that are already filled in, for example with your first name, your last name, your email address. All of those can be changed. In the email display area, there's several options available. I would suggest that you keep the default where you allow only other course members to see your email address. You can also add your city, select your country, and your time zone. Now currently this is set as the server time zone, which might be someplace different than when you're at where you're living. You can set to your specific time zone. Let's see, find something close by. Some sites also allow you to change the theme. In this case, we've got a few different themes we could select from, and we're just going to leave it at the default for now. Now the description is where you should put a few sentences about yourself, perhaps your interests, perhaps your experience teaching, perhaps your experience with Moodle, that kind of thing. The description will be seen by other users, so just so you know. There's also a place to put a picture. Currently there is no picture here. You can add a new picture. To do that, click on the Add button here in order to upload a file. And now you'll have to choose that file and browse for that file on your computer. So it has to be a file that's already on your computer. In this case, I'm just going to choose a nondescript file. I would suggest that you select an actual picture of yourself, not a picture of your cat or your dog, but something that's going to identify you personally. So I've uploaded the file now. And you should add a description. It will help for people who have screen readers, perhaps visually impaired people. There's also a couple of additional fields in this particular case that you can change or add to. You can add some interests, and these will be added as tags to your profile. There are some additional optional fields that you can fill in, different ways of reaching you or identifying you, but they are all optional. And then you update your profile. So now if I go back to the course, click on the participants list and click on that user, you'll see that the picture is there and the description is there, and that's what others will see. The bottom part of this is just for this user alone. So that's how you would update your profile.